Hello guys, I'm eating some vegetables. You want some? And this is my mommy. Look.
Hello guys, Sophia is vlogging today. Okay, you finish your food, Sophia. Okay. Show them that you are eating okra.
Okay.
This is okra and sitaw. Now, show them that you are eating okra. Dali. Para i-eat din yung mga bata. Eating sitaw. Finish the okra.
Okra. More okra.
Yummy. Yummy. Para ka-i-eat din yung mga bata. Sabihin mo, ang yummy, guys. Yummy. Oh, dali na. Oh, eat the chicken na. Oh. This is sinampalukan chicken. Eat the chicken. You have to finish your food para may energy ka mag-dance. Da-dance ka? Sasama ka sa akin?
I'll eat some okra and rice and chicken.
Wow! Yummy! Oh.
Kids, you need to eat okra, not candy, okay? I'll be angry.
See, look at me. I'm eating vegetables.
This is okra.
I'm not eating hot dog.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like.